Hello friends, today through this video we will learn how to populate data from Excel to Word with the help of the function mail merge available in MS Word. I have created a Excel file with some sample data in it. It contains serial number, name, address, mobile number and email ID. Now in the Word document you can see I require serial number, name, address, mobile number and email ID on individual pages. I have created only one page and I want the data is populated in these fields for each and every record I am having in Excel. I am having 26 record, so I require 26 individual sheets. To start mail merge, we have to click on mailing, start mail merge. We click on letter, select recipient. Because I already have a list available with me, I will choose use an existing list. My Excel is saved on desktop. I will give the path of my file and here I only have data in my sheet 1. That is why it is reflecting a sheet 1 only. Click on OK and here I will see all my fields in insert merge field drop down. I want name of the say name of the person, name from my sample data. I click on insert merge field. I will click on name. My name will display here. Sample data for name from my Excel sheet. Here I will select serial number, name, address, mobile number, email ID. I click on preview result. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last one is 26, which is the last serial number of my Excel sheets. I click on finish and merge, edit as individual document, click on all. This is my letters ready for 26 persons data mentioned in my Excel sheet. So this is sample data for sample A, this is for B, this is for C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And this is my last page, which contain data of Z person. I just save. My file because now it is ready. I will give it a name. Now I can print also. I can split also. Whatever it's my requirement, I can do that with it.